That sounds so good.
Yes, one more here.
Oh,
Beautiful. Yes, ma'am. Great job.
that felt so good.
Yes, you needed that.
I did.
Not that pop, that crack, that sound you hear after an adjustment. What is that? See, that cracking sound, that's not your bones. It's not even close. What you're hearing is called a cavitation. It's gas being released from the joint, something like opening up a soda can. You see, your bones aren't cracking, your joints are decompressing. Now, sometimes adjustments don't even make a sound at all. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you team crack or team no sound? Pick your team in the comments below.